Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the dark mode in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Now, open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After that, click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner, and then go to Settings. After you go to Settings, what you need to do now is go to Themes. Now, you can see the themes over here. So you can see the dark mode. So you can see you can enable or disable this. And as soon as you click on the dark mode or disable it, you can see right now I have disabled the dark mode. But if I want to go there, I can do that once again. Click on Home, go to Settings, scroll a bit down and find Themes. Go ahead and click on this, and you can see that it will automatically turn to dark mode as you click that button. So all you need to do is go to Chats. So you can go ahead and find Chats, which is right under the SOPs. Go ahead and tap on the Themes option. And you can see use black theme when in dark mode. So it will automatically apply the dark theme when you're in dark mode. Go ahead and tap on it and you can select it. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable the dark mode in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.